Hello everyone, my name is Darasimi and I am your study abroad buddy. If you're looking forward to study outside of your own country, you're welcome to join this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming again and again and again. I'm going to make this video as short as possible. And the purpose of this video is to tell you guys how you can benefit from the Erasmus exchange program. So the Erasmus exchange program gives you the opportunity to go study in another university in the EU. So if you're planning to come to the EU to study, or you're currently in the EU as an undergraduate student or a postgraduate student, you can also benefit from this program. You can apply for the Erasmus exchange program through your university, and requirement varies from university to university. But one of the things that your university is going to consider definitely is your grade point average. So you must have a good result. For my university, we also had an interview. So at the end of the day, they are going to calculate this result. If you are successful, you are going to be told to go on to the next stage. So when I was applying for mine, I did all my application with the help of my faculty coordinator. So I had to go through the list of universities that my university had agreement with. So I cannot just go to any university just because I want to go there. So your university must have agreement with the university that you are planning to go study in. And it's not just about having agreements, they must also have your course of study. So it is possible for your university to have agreement with a university and they don't have your course of study. So this is also very important. So with the help of my faculty coordinator, he was able to help me select the courses that I should take. So what we did was that we went through the list of courses that I was supposed to take if I was in Poland. And we also went through the list of courses of some of these other universities. And he told me to have like a first choice, second choice university, and also third choice university. And even before I got to that stage, I sent emails to the universities that my university had agreements with and that also have my course of study that I would be interested in spending a semester at their university. So for Erasmus exchange program, you can spend a semester or 2 semesters in another country in the EU. But for mine, I can only spend a semester because I'm studying for just 3 semesters and I have to use a year in my own university before I can go for the exchange program. So after doing all of this, I sent emails to different universities. I got their responses that okay, you can apply. So they're going to tell you how you can apply and every other thing like that. So after going through their responses, I went through their website, I went through the list of courses that they offer for exchange students. So I selected my top 3 and I consulted with my faculty coordinator. So we compared this list of courses with the courses I was supposed to take if I was in Poland for that semester. So after deciding on the 3 universities that I would like to go to, so I sent my application to the university that I'm currently in and the whole processing continues like that. When you get to that stage, it all depends on the university that you're applying to. So there is no general rule when it gets to this stage. So I'm not going to be giving like a lot of information based on this. For the Erasmus exchange program, we are going to be given a stipend monthly depending on the duration that you're going to be using in that country. So currently as of 2024, the stipend varies from €600 to €670 monthly. So the way they decide how much you are going to be given is based on the country that you are going to. Some countries in the EU are more expensive than some other countries. So if you're going to a country in the EU where they have high living expenses, you're going to be given the highest amount. But if you're going to another EU country that has like a lower living expenses, you're going to be given the least amount. But the amount is just in 2 categories. Currently, as of 2024, it's either you get €600 monthly or you get €670 monthly. So how the money is going to be given to you all depends on your university. There are a lot of paperwork that you need to do. You need to sign a lot of documents and things like that. So before choosing a destination country, you need to consider the requirements for staying in that country for the duration that you're going to be staying in. If you're going to need a visa, if you're going to need a residency card and things like that. So before coming to Latvia, I already have a temporary residence card in Poland. And because I already have a temporary residence card in Poland, I was not required to apply for a visa. The stipend that you're going to be given is not going to be enough to cover for all of your expenses. And also, the stipend that you're going to be given is not going to be enough to cover for all of your expenses, such as your traveling expenses, moving your things from the country that you were to this new country that you're going to. But for me, the stipend that I was given was enough to pay for my rent and to also pay for my feeding. So one thing that you would want to consider before selecting a destination country, before selecting a university, you want to know the living expenses. You want to be sure of the type of accommodation that they have. So university that I went to, the university has a student accommodation, which is affordable when compared to renting an accommodation outside. For some university, they may not have university accommodation, which means you have to rent an accommodation outside, and this might be expensive. So you need to count your costs before deciding on the university that you would like to apply to. Also important that while you're on your exchange program, you need to pass all of your courses. Basically, that's what you need to know about the Erasmus exchange program. Erasmus exchange program is a good opportunity for you to go to another country to go and study, go to another university, explore and enjoy your life. So if you have more questions based on the Erasmus exchange program, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll be there to reply your questions. Bye for now.